Team Blossom, welcome back to my channel. It's Blossoming Jasmine, and I wanted to show you the new drip. It's actually homecoming season. My homecoming is tomorrow, and this is a part of some of my wardrobe. I am wearing this jacket with this purse. This purse is a replica, and I put Google Meat on it. I don't know if you guys know, but if you add glue or anything to a real Chanel purse, it absolutely loses all of its value. So I blinged out a replica, and I think it looks really amazing, and I absolutely love it. These are, of course, Swarovski crystals, and they will be a part of my wardrobe this weekend. For me, the value in this bag is in the Swarovski crystals. So that's how I look at it. And then I ordered some products from Shoo, and I actually met the owner at the Boss Conference in Miami, Florida, and you know, I let her know that I was gonna purchase these brushes so that I could bedazzle them. I'm gonna be doing a bling tutorial, and I love the quality of these brushes. Not only that, but they were on sale. I was just like blown away. I ordered these brushes literally 48 hours ago, and here they are already at my doorstep. So I love the quality. They have a very soft feel to the brushes. What's really nice is she sent me these extra products because I let her know that I was going to be blinging out these brushes. So that was really nice of her. She sent me this bag. She sent me this luxury banana powder. So I'm going to make sure that I use this weekend. Make sure my makeup's on point when I go to homecoming. Then I was just like so in love that she sent me this lipstick. It is the Liquid Velvet lipstick, and it says Rouge, which is so appropriate because I'm wearing Milano di Rouge. But the name of this is called Dabble, and it's super cute. I love it, and it matches perfectly with my jacket, so I can't wait to wear this tomorrow when I go to Hampton University's homecoming. She also sent me a lipstick. It says it's a matte lipstick, and the name is Red Holt. Ooh, I love this. Look at that, guys. Look at that red on red. Look at that. That is so pretty. Alright, I think that's how you do it. This is what it's looking like on my skin complexion. She sent me this liquid lips, cream mocha. It's a gloss. So let's see what it looks like. It feels great on my lips. It really does. I love the color. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. I'm not all done up, so I'm not gonna like show you guys what it might look like yet, but I'll definitely be wearing it this weekend when I'm all done up, and you'll get to see. So again, these are the products that I was sent, and I am so in love. Thank you so much, Shoo. And I'll be blinging out some of these products, so all of my students and my audience, definitely stay tuned, and I'll be back. This is what everything looks like. And all the brushes have her logo on them. This is what the brushes look like. And it's just all super cute, honestly. I'm definitely going to be putting this in my bag. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you. I also wanted to mention, because I actually drove to New York yesterday. Harmon's gave me 2 of these, and I actually want to give one away. So complimentary of Blossoming Jasmine, Blossom University, and Harmon Beads. I'll be giving away this to one of my subscribers. So I'm going to include the requirements, but I think at the minimum, I'm going to require you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to follow me on Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine and at Blossom University. And then I want you to check out some of my courses. I want you guys to enroll in at least some of my free courses if you're really my students and you're following me. So this is really cool. I love it. And it's going home to someone. This is just like so lovely. Oh my gosh. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's see. Love it. Love it already. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so cute. And this pen that comes with it. So make sure you guys enter. This is a really cool gift. And I have one, and I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to share with my audience. So this is going to be a giveaway, compliments of Blossom University and Harmon Beads, like I said. So you guys be great. I love you. Thank you, Shoo. Thank you, everyone who even took the time to stay and listen to this video. Love you lots. And I'll see you in my next one. Always Blossoming Jasmine.